If you're serious about gaming, you already know your controller is everything. It's the bridge between your reflexes and your win streak. But with so many options out there, Xbox, PlayStation, Razer, Turtle Beach, which one truly gives you the edge? Today, we're breaking down the best PC gaming controllers of 2026, covering performance, comfort, customization, and overall feel. Let's dive right into it, because milliseconds matter. Let's start with a legend, the Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Wireless Controller. This is Microsoft's ultimate precision weapon, designed for pro-level performance across Xbox, PC, Android, and iOS. You get adjustable tension thumbsticks, short hair trigger locks, and interchangeable paddles, letting you completely tailor your control layout. The rubberized grips and solid aluminum D-pad give it that premium feel. And with Bluetooth and USB-C support, it connects seamlessly to any system battery life. Up to 40 hours of wireless gameplay, and the magnetic charging dock makes recharging effortless. It's not just a controller, it's a competitive advantage. Check the description below for the Xbox Elite Series 2 Core link. Next, we have the iconic PlayStation DualSense wireless controller, and honestly, it's an experience on its own. Even on PC, the adaptive triggers and haptic feedback bring games to life. You actually feel the tension of a bowstring, the rumble of an engine, or the recoil of a weapon, and that immersion is unmatched. The built-in microphone, motion sensor, and touchpad make it versatile beyond console use. It connects easily to Windows via USB-C or Bluetooth, and many PC games now natively support its advanced feedback system. It's sleek, futuristic, and one of the most immersive controllers ever built. Find the PlayStation DualSense link in the description below. We've got the Razer Wolverine V2 Chroma, the ultimate wired option for gamers who crave speed and precision. Razer's Mecha tactile action buttons have ultra-fast actuation, crisp, clicky, and responsive, giving you that mechanical keyboard feel in a controller. You also get remappable buttons, RGB chroma lighting, and trigger stop switches for rapid fire. It's built for competitive gaming, with zero input lag thanks to its wired connection. The ergonomics are spot on too. Curved grips with rubberized texture ensure you can marathon game for hours without fatigue. If you play shooters or esports titles where every frame counts, this one's a beast. Check the description below for the Razer Wolverine V2 Chroma link. Now, if you love customizing every inch of your setup, meet the PDP Victrix Pro BFG wireless controller. It's a modular dream machine. You can swap between a standard layout, fight pad layout, or even offset thumbsticks, all thanks to its magnetic, hot swappable design. It's compatible with PS5, PS4, and PC, and even includes remappable back paddles, customizable triggers, and an onboard profile system that lets you switch control presets instantly. It connects via Bluetooth or USB-C, and the build quality screams premium. Solid, balanced, and pro-grade, whether you're fighting, racing, or sniping. The Victrix Pro BFG adapts to you. Find the PDP Victrix Pro BFG link in the description below. For those who want high performance without breaking the bank, the Turtle Beach Recon controller is a hidden gem. Officially licensed for Xbox and PC, it blends precise controls with unique audio features. You can plug in your headset and access Turtle Beach's superhuman hearing, giving you directional audio cues like footsteps or reloads that competitive players love. It also has two remappable buttons, adjustable vibration, and a comfortable grip design built for long sessions. For a wired controller under $60, it's seriously impressive. Check the description below for the Turtle Beach Recon controller link. So there you have it, the best PC gaming controllers you can buy right now. From the elite level precision of Xbox's Series 2, to the immersive DualSense, to the customizable Victrix Pro. There's something here for every type of gamer. All the links are in the description. Check them out and find your perfect controller setup.